now is Alan Sancon, who's here. Alan!
Okay, Alan, and helping me here sa floor ay si Aaron ng Corpcom. Ayan. Iwasan natin ang lahat ng questions for everyone.
Yeah.
Alan.
So, first, before my question, I would like to congratulate yung Dreamscape kasi doing yung ganitong great mga story like yung mga commentary, mga social commentary, na kailangan ng mga taong maging aware sila. So, congratulations. Yung first question ko for Kyle, tanong ko lang, Kyle, kumbaga, nakilala ka, sabi mo nga 12 years old pa lang, nasa Dreamscape ka na, and parang you are paired with the Love Team before. This time, this is your solo, almost solo na ikaw yung talagang magtatayo ng isang teleserye. Gusto mo bang parang ganon na mas makilala ka bilang solo artist na flexible that you can pair with anyone kesa sa Love Team na doon ka nagsimula?
Thank you po sa tanong. Siguro po kasi hindi ko masabi na talagang ayoko ng Love Team, ayoko yung career path mapupunta po doon. Yun yung naging kasanayan ko naman po nung bata ako ever since I started. Pero para mabigay po sa akin ng Dreamscape yung ganito pong tiwala, talagang aangkinin ko po talaga. I'll do my best. I want to make sure na hindi sila nagkamali na piliin po ako para dito sa show na to. And my biggest goal is to just do what makes me happy. At this role has been something na talagang nagpapasaya po talaga sa akin.
Actually, Alan, compressed 2 days lang yung napanood natin. Iba pa ang may plot, di ba? Ang haba-haba ng tatakbo, yung individual plots nila talagang sasabog. So, inopen lang talaga ng plot ni Kyle, and then sunod-sunod na yan na may Piolo sa gitna.
Kaya nga. So, congratulations, Kyle. Yung second question ko for Piolo. Piolo, parang matagal-tagal ding hindi ka nakagawa ng teleserye, di ba? What made you decide to accept the role of being a politician here? Parang hindi ka ba nagdalawang isip na baka magnega yung dating sa iyo ng mga fans because parang you portrayed na parang different character naman compared sa napapanood nila before sa iyo?
Siguro kaya if I turned it down, it'd be my biggest regret in my life, after what happened to Titeo. But taking on this character, yun nga sinasabi ko nila, responsibilidad ng isang artista to do something na sa tingin nila hindi pa napanood ng tao. And when this was offered, it wasn't about being a bad guy or baka mag-paint ng ibang picture sa tao, but it's all about redemption. It's not all bad naman throughout. So overarching yung journey na nagsimula siya dito, but of course through the course of time, makikita mo yung pagbabago niya bilang tao, not just being a politician or a father. So yun talaga yung nagustuhan ko sa kanya na, wow, nung sinabi sa akin baka maging presidente ka ng Pilipinas dito, sabi ko, Tito Deo, ako presidente yung bata-bata ko. Sabi niya, why not? Sabi ko, okay, if you believe, if you think I can do it. So that's when I realized, sabi ko, let's see. It's quite challenging, so why not do it?
Thank you, Piolo. Congratulations, everyone. You did a great job dito sa...
Thank you, Alan. Maraming...
First, kinakabahan ako because I know naman how good he is at acting. Pero I was happy because I got to learn a lot from him, from the amount of scenes we've done. And I've become more comfortable now working with him.
Right. Aliana, ikaw, sino mga ka-eksena mo?
Usually, ka-eksena ko po is my mom here in the show, Tita Aiko. And she actually played my mom na rin before when I did teleseries when I was younger. So it's like a little reunion. And what I like about being with our co-actors in general is that you learn a lot from them. And kahit sa group namin na sa age bracket namin or something, parang our group is very diverse and yung personalities namin iba-iba, but at the same time it complements everyone so well. Na we get to learn a lot, and of course from our veterans also we get to learn a lot na yung mga conversations na may substance talaga. Na
right.
Pero MJ, alam mo bang child actress siya rin siya?
Kabatch ko po. Love team ko dati si John. Yeah.
Isang show?
Ikaw lamang and Story of Us. A Story of Us, yeah.
Wow!
So, hindi bago sa kanya.
Hindi bago, oo. Season na rin kahit paano.
Pero I was kind of worried po. Since I focused on my school talaga, I was kind of worried na when I got back, baka...
Medyo kalawang ng konti.
Medyo rusty na or what.
Right.
But I guess that's the fun side about it. You don't have to... You have to continue to do repetition hanggang sa ma-master mo siya.
Right.
And it's getting out of your comfort zone. Lalo na it's a character role and I'm really grateful to
Saka you're in good company. Yun ang maganda
Of
doon.
course, yeah.
Thank you, Aliana. How about Maya and Daniela? Si Maya, ka-extend mo madalas si Kyle. Right. Oh, how was that experience working with Kyle?
Ganda naman nila, no?
Masaya kasi.
Ayusin mo yan.
Pagka-batch po kami, nilaunch kami ni Mr. M, Star Magic Circle. So, sobrang saya na. Star Magic Circle?
Star Magic Circle? Star Circle or Star Magic?
From Star Circle. Star Circle.
From Star Circle.
So yun ang topic natin today.
From Star Circle.
Sorry po.
Hindi kasi nagturo ako sa Star Circle.
Yes.
Bago sila naging Star Magic.
Oo. So Star Magic na now. Go ahead, Maya. Continue.
Nakakatuwa lang dahil kami yung nilaunch natin ni Mr. M. Tapos, ngayon magka-work na kami along with JC. And ayun nga, first time ko siyang naka-work. Hindi ako nahihirapan kay Kyle, sobrang open niya. And ang galing niyang nakipag-build ng chemistry sa lahat ng katrabaho niya.
Daniela, ikaw naman.
Kabatch mo rin si Anthony Jennings, right?
Yes, Anthony
Yeah,
Jennings.
kabatch niya na yan. Daniela, ikaw.
Ako po halos
Isa pa to.
ko here. Si Maya, si Migs, and si Kyle Boy.
Right.
So, yeah, with Kyle kasi nakatrabaho ko na siya sa senior high. So, comfortable na ako with him. With Migs naman, super ang dali kong na-attach sa kanya. Like, parang ko na siya naging kapatid kasi off-cam, lagi din kami naghahalubilo. Tapos, ito si Maya, halos lahat ng projects ko, kasama ko na rin siya. So, yeah, very comfortable. It feels like we're just playing. You know, it doesn't feel like we're working with them. So, yeah, super fun.
Alright, thank you,
Daniela,
Daniela.
nag-audition ka ba for the role? Kasi ito lahat nasa poster to eh. Lahat sila, di ba?
Nasa poster din.
Sino?
Yeah.
Nasa
Lahat nga. Ano ba sinabi ko? Daniela, handpick yan, alam ko.
Yeah.
Oh,
Wow!
Nalaman ko lang tong project na to actually kay Kyle. Medyo nadulas siya during senior high.
Uh-oh!
I had no idea about this. Tapos ayun, Kyle was like, uy, may project tayo together. And I was like, huh? Meron? And then yun, hindi niya sinabi. Tapos a month later.
Hindi ko naman inamin buo.
Hindi niya
diba?
naman inamin buo. Pero yeah, a month later, yung picture na magkakasama lahat with Sir Deo, yun na po yun na in-announce na ayun po, we're having this Pamilya Sagrado.
Kaka-proud ka.
And we all know that sinabi naman kanina na ito ang project talaga na huling na upuan ni Sir Deo. Kaya while doing this project, talagang inaalay namin ito lahat kay Sir Deo. And yung mga cast din dito, nakatrabaho ko na yung karamihan sa kanila. And excited ako makatrabaho yung mga new ones.
Magpapaliwan ba kayo dito ni Maylene?
Meron pa tayong mga bababli-baliwan. Meron sila, bunutan niya ako dito.
Ay!
Parang nasa abangan, ano?
Yeah.
Actually, hindi naman kami nawawala ng offer kay Aiko. It's just that may priority siya every time mayroong coming offers.
Yes. But thank you to ABS-CBN, of course, Dreamscape for always having me in mind. Pag merong mga proyektong ganito kalaki, talagang kinoconsider nila ako. I feel so blessed and flattered.
Ang tagal daw, 90s pa daw yung last time na nag-work kayo together?
I don't even remember that.
Piolo remembers everything.
Yung nung bata pa ako. Kasi si May...
Grabe ka!
High pants ka muna.
Pero yan, Mike, kamusta? With PJ?
Ay,
There's one scene.
hirap?
May one scene kayo doon, yung parang sumunod lang yung cameras, parang nag-uusap lang kayo sa camera. Grabe yun, yung eksena nyo doon. Yung nuances mo as a wife.
Okay. Well, it's... The way naman kasi my character, or the entire script was written by Joel, is very clear. And we did have a chance to discuss our roles and how we were going to attack it in the numerous workshops that... isa lang yata yun, sorry. The workshops that we did. Pero nahimay ng gusto. It's not just something that we had to do sa set mismo. We had time to really discuss with the directors and our co-actors on how we were going to do the scenes and our roles. So pagdating namin sa set, there wasn't a lot of guesswork, but a lot of trust that we had to put na lang dun sa sa pagkakasulat ni Joel. Yun na nga yung resulta. It's very amazing.
Si Sir Deo.
Well, unang-unang gusto ko magpasalamat sa Dreamscape, no? Kasi after 2 years of working with Coco sa Provinciano, medyo nakapagpahinga ako ng more than a year. And usually kasi iikot ka sa ibang units, but I was very honored na naipatawag ako ni Sir Deo. And dun po sa mga nandito, hindi lang po ninyo siguro alam that this is the last show na bigyan ng green light ni Sir Deo. So this is really very special. Not just to me, but to the whole family, Pamilya Sagrado. And gaya po ng sinabi ko, hindi ho ako mapapagod to say na it is a privilege and it is my honor to share a frame in this project with some of the industry's greats and very well respected po na mga aktor sa industriya. Mahihiya kang hindi maging professional. And I think maraming, hindi lang yung mga baguhan ang natututo at nai-inspire, kundi aaminin ko na po, yung mga ate sa industriya na kagaya ko. Syempre nakaka-inspire to work dahil everyone is ready, lahat po handa, lahat pinag-aralan yung script. And I guess kapag medyo tumagal ka na sa industriya, kapag ka-roles, medyo marami ka ng mga roles na nagawa, pero yung collaboration, that is what makes it unique. And this is the first time na napagsama-sama kaming lahat, which is why I think this project is very special and one of the best shows that I've done.